Today we're going to be looking at the new iPhone 14 Pro spring cases from Apple. We have one new color and three just like last year's. This fits very well with the new color of iPhone this year. Without further ado, let's get started. Canary yellow. Last year was lemon zest. This one is iris, which is the new one. We have sky. Last year was blue fog. And we have also olive. I mean, they're just like last year's colors, but with different names. Let's crack these bad boys open. I mean, I like the lemon zest name more than, oh boy. I mean, it's slightly different, but ever so slightly. So soft, as always, very thin. And with the iPhone 14 Pro, I like the color that it gives around the phone. And with that silver, it's so popping. Such a bright color, very soft. Smells great as always. It has MagSafe, of course. And it looks great with the MagSafe wallet. With the new cases, we're not getting the full color of MagSafe when you pop it in. For example, I have the product red case from Apple. The whole phone just turns red. Moving on to the one that I think most of you are waiting for. And I noticed they changed a little bit the way the box opens, which makes it harder to replicate. Nice. It's even better than the photo. Pop it open. Man, I love Apple silicone cases. They're so smooth and nice. Nice. Oh my god, this looks so good. Try it with the MagSafe wallet. It looks so good. And with the battery pack. Man, this looks good. And the dark Apple logo and the dark buttons and the dark rim. This really looks so nice. Next one. Last year's blue was called Blue Fog, I guess. And it worked so well with the Sierra Blue. Mentioning again that this is now paper, it's not plastic, and makes it much harder to fake or replicate. I mean, it looks almost exactly the same as last year. And I don't know why they changed the name. I think it's a little bit lighter than last year. I'll bring the last year's one just for comparison. It also looks so good. The darker Apple logo and buttons and rim. Also the brown MagSafe wallet looks so good on it. And of course, white, blue, white. Let me bring last year's case. I don't have the case at the moment, but we can see that this year is a little bit lighter than last year, and last year's name was Blue Fog, and this year's name is just Sky. We see more plastic last year, less plastic, more paper this year. Moving on to the last one, which is a little bit darker than last year's. Boy, they look a little bit different than the picture. Like if I see this color, I'd definitely say this is olive. Whoa, hoy. With the brown. If you like some earthy colors, these are so good together. It also looks so good. We put them all side by side. Let me rearrange a little bit. Now this is more like it. Wow. Although they are spring cases, I kind of prefer the darker colors this year because they're more contrasty with the buttons and the Apple logo and everything, and they look so good. I started using the iPhone 14 Pro with the red case, but I've been rocking the phone case free for a while now, and these colors right now are very tempting to use. Just to change up a little bit for the look of the phone. Tell me down below, which of these colors do you prefer the most? See you.